Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so maybe Nigeria. Once again, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates. We get report for my table like this way I need share give the general public. And this informate my good people now about the things and things wey dey play for inside Rivers State. And the cocoa now be say one countryman wey dey go by the name Asukewe in a member of the Rivers Council of Elders. He now don come outside dey call the attention of the sole administrator of Rivers State, wey be Vice Admiral Ibok Et Ibas, to make him finally address the long-standing chain of disagreement between former governors and their successors for inside Rivers State. I now dey describe the matter as spiritual issue. And for inside the interview wey Sir Iko get with Tori people, he call the yarn say for Rivers State e get the pattern wey don plaster, e get the pattern wey dey ground and men need to change am. And that pattern be say any current governor of Rivers State go dey see their predecessor as enemies. According to Sir Iko, he say when Rotimi Amechi was governor of Rivers State, him dey see his predecessor be Peter Odili as an enemy. And na that same pattern I play out during the administration of Oga Wike as governor of Rivers State, because last he cause dey view Oga Rotimi Amechi wey be his predecessor as enemy. And currently for inside Rivers State, na that same script, na that same pattern na dey play out between the governor of the state wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara and his predecessor, man wey don become the minister of FCT, and that na Wike. Currently now for inside Rivers State, Sir Sim Fubara don dey see Oga Wike as enemy. And these two mature men now don dey get a long-standing disagreement in Rivers State politics. And no be lie, Oga Wike and Sir Sim Fubara dey be padi men before. Now according to how the talk dey come aside from the mouth of Sir Asukewe Iko, he say he no go fit write the story of Wike without Amechi. And when Wike come become governor of Rivers State, he come dey see Amechi as an enemy. And also he no get anyhow he want to write the story of Siminalayi Fubara without Wike. So last now Sim Fubara come become the governor of the state, and he come dey see Oga Wike as enemy. He don talk am before and he go talk am again. If Sir Siminalayi Fubara succeed after 8 years and he come put somebody for office, if the pattern wey dey play for inside Rivers State na course and men come proceed further without breaking that course, the person wey Sir Siminalayi Fubara go put as successor go still last dey see am as enemy. Or if last Oga Wike come succeed in removing Siminalayi Fubara from office, he come put an angel. That angel wey Wike plaster as governor of the state, time go reach, that angel wey plaster go still betray am. So like this now, time don reach for the administrator of Rivers State to be Oga Ibas to look at this aspect of these governors betraying themselves. Time don reach for him now to do something about the matter, and that's now a step to bringing peace to Rivers State. And bringing peace to Rivers State na the reason why dem plaster am as sole administrator of Rivers State. So this my good people na the opinion of Sir Asukewe Iko, member of the Rivers Council of Elders. And now onto these levels where this man dey yarn. So if you be say you dey in disagreement, or if you be say you dey in agreement, anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about the informate, no let anybody or anything stop you. Feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another informate, me still get report for my table where I still need share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, sake of the things and things where they play for inside Rivers State, so the Take It Back movement don announce their plan to stage a nationwide protest against our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's state of emergency on Rivers State. And this group so wey be the Take It Back movement, report dey ground say na dem organize the 2024 End Bad Governance protest. This group now don come outside dey alert the general public say they want to exercise their right to protest, and they want to protest about the things and things wey dey happen for inside Rivers State. And also the group constantly let story people know say they go still dey protest against the alleged misuse of the Cybercrime Act to suppress activists, journalists dem, and social media influencers. So the reason why this men want do the I no go gree waka, e opo no be small. And the men now dey yarn say this their protest don plaster and say go happen on the 7th day of April for inside the year 2025. And they don describe the protest as a nationwide protest against bad governance and free speech suppression. And the group now still dey yarn say if you get any country person wey wan support the movement, or if you be say you get country person wey dey out there wey dey take some things wey dey play for inside with nation Nigeria, especially Rivers State, don tire am for body and he wan join body do the I no go gree waka, they are very much invited men go gather for the National Assembly for inside Abuja. And as for men wey no dey inside Abuja, make dem do the camps, they go announce other locations very soon. And for inside interview with Tori Pipo, the national coordinator of the Take It Back movement wey be Juwon Sanyaolu, he na come dey yarn say the primary demand of the I no go gree waka na the repeal of the Cybercrime Act. That is to say, the most important thing now why these men dey do protest na sake of say they want make government take down the Cybercrime Act wey him now dey claim say men don weaponize am to silence free speech. Men dey use the Cybercrime Act to take dey make sure say men no talk again for inside we nation Nigeria. According to how talk take come outside from the mouth of Oga Juwon, he said the issue revolves around how the Cybercrime Act is used to target journalists, to target activists and even social media users like King. And also, as them now they demand for the repeal of the act, the movement they also call for an end to which they describe as military rule imposed by the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in Rivers State. They now want the full reinstatement of all suspended government institutions, including the State House of Assembly and the executive. And most importantly, they demand an end to bad governance for inside we nation. Oga Juwon will be the national coordinator of the Take It Back movement, can use the opportunity to take criticize the policies of our president. In the yarn, say the policies where this government don plaster on Nigerians, too much, too hard. The thing that don bring hardship come the lifestyle of the general public and no good at all at all. They say over the past year, many journalists don face harassment from state actors, including Segun Olatunji, who be the former editor of First News, plus Daniel Ojukwu of the Foundation of Investigative Journalism, plus Dayo, maybe executive director of the International Center for Investigative Reporting and Investigative Journalism, maybe Nuruddin. And also, the suspension of the Rivers State governor and elected representatives now don draw criticisms from various stakeholders, and many now dey call for caution, many now dey yarn say the suspension is very much illegal, it's very much unconstitutional. Meanwhile, Nigerians dey continue to dey struggle with economic difficulties, and that na sake of the rising cost of living and inflation. So this, my good people, na the reasons why the Take It Back movement wan do protest for inside the nation, and them now dey call on Nigerians make dem put body, and dem promise to announce more details on additional protest locations in the coming days. And this, my good people, na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Now, anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop you. Feel free, make it drop am inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and now we dey like giving una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our nation, so we be Nigeria. And now if you be say you like this update and you go like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as they bring more news they come your side, now go first get the informate and you go even get them sharp. Now me they come back with more news, me they come back with more reports for you, my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.